Good morning, students. Today's topic is the polynomials and what is the meaning of the polynomials and what is the definition of the polynomials. You are seeing that it is written here polynomial comes from the terms poly. Its meaning is many and nomials means term. So polynomial can be says that it is have many terms. So what are the meaning of the terms and what are the coefficient? See that here it is the terms are always separated with the plus sign or minus sign. So this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. And when we will talk about the coefficient and variables, so in this case x is the variable and its multiple is known as the coefficient. Any variable and having as its multiple is known as the coefficient. So this is the terms, this is the coefficient, and this is the types of the polynomials. Types of polynomials, first type is linear polynomial. In the linear polynomial you can see that the power of the variable is 1, highest power of the variable is 1. In the same way, quadratic, the highest power will be 2, and in the case of cubic it is the power 3. And you will see that always the polynomials or standard polynomials, it will be always written in the decreasing order of variables. See that here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 2, here it is 1, and here you can say x to the power 0. So x to the power 0, so 1. So this is the types of the polynomials. Next topic is types of the polynomials are according to the basis of the number of terms. On the basis of the number of terms. Monomials means that type of polynomials which have only one terms, means that there is no plus or minus sign separated. See that here it is only one terms. Binomials means two terms. See that there is one plus or minus sign. This is that having the two terms. Trinomials, it has having three terms. In the first example, 3x square is the first term, minus 5x is the second term, and 8 is the third term. Here in the second example, a cube is the first, 4y is the second, and minus 7 is the third. With the sign we will write down always. Polynomials more than 3 is called the polynomials. So what is the degree of the polynomial? See that firstly we will see the degree. What is the degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable. Degree is the highest power of the variables. Any variable having highest power is called its degree. So here linear polynomial always having its degree 1, x to the power 1. Quadratic polynomial always degree 2. See here x to the power 2. In the second example, y to the power 2. Cubic polynomial, see that x to the power 3 and y to the power 3. And most important, every constant polynomial having degree 0. Any constant term having degree 0. So this is called the degree of the polynomial. The next is, this is the all the definition that is written also in the book, and this is in the form of chart. Linear polynomial having degree 1, quadratic degree 2, cubic degree 3, and constant polynomial of degree 0. Again it is written in the form of the chart. See that here only one term, so this is the monomial. Here it is two terms, so it is binomial, and it is three terms, so it is the trinomial. See that the here coefficient with the made with the help of the chart. Coefficient of the leading coefficient is written. You will find out in your book it by this coefficient. See that coefficient of x square, always the coefficient will be of any variable. So here we will find out the coefficient of x square is equal to 6. The coefficient of x, we will write down coefficient of x, and it is equal to 5. The next is the degree. Degree is the highest power. Always degree we will write down with the highest power. So here highest power is 2. So its degree is, the answer will be 2. This is all about the first chapter introduction. I think no new topics you will get. Now here see that exercise 2.1 NCERT question. Which of the following expressions are the polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So firstly see that polynomial literal meaning is that any variable having positive quantity. If any variable having a rational number or negative number, that will be not considered as a polynomial. Suppose that x to the power 2, so it is not considered as a polynomial. First one, this, it is an example of the polynomial.